Welcome to cryptography session. Today I am going to explain non-cryptanalytic attacks types. Attack means an illegal or an unauthorized access of using secret information from a system. So there may be the possibility of attacker is trying to use some mathematical formulas or algorithms uh, to implement an attack. So those type of attacks are called cryptanalytics attack. But in a non-cryptanalytic attack, an attacker does not know about the algorithm or mathematical techniques. So instead of that, he just steal the information without any knowledge about the security mechanisms. So in a non-cryptanalytic attacks, there may be the possibility of breaking three different types of services. The first service is confidentiality. So here confidentiality is one of the type of system service in which the information is transferred from sender to receiver in a secured manner, which means that confidentiality means the information which is transferred from sender to receiver is secured by any key. So that information is called as secret information or protected information. That is the confidentiality. For breaking confidentiality means either a form of unauthorized way, an attacker trying to steal those secret information. So that is the breaking confidentiality. Integrity means it is also one of the system service technique which ensures that the secret information is not modified during the transmission, and from sender to receiver side there is no alteration is done. So that surety is given by the service called integrity, which means that an attacker does not able to modify the information, or he may not able to delete or insert or replay few informations in a secret message. So that type of service is called integrity. Here breaking integrity means there may be the possibility of alterations can be done in a secret information. So those type of attacks are categorized under breaking integrity category. Availability means a proper resources may be utilized by authorized user at the required time. Whenever the authorized user is needed their resource, he may able to access a system by entering his password or a PIN number. So those type of resources is availability. Breaking availability means there may be the possibility of attack on availability. So in breaking confidentiality, two type of attacks are possible. One is called snooping and another one is traffic analysis. For breaking integrity, four types of attacks are possible: modification, masquerade, replay, repudiation. Another name for masquerade is spoofing. For breaking availability, and one type of attack is called denial of service. Let us come to take confidentiality breaking. The first technique is snooping. So snooping is a type of attack of unauthorized access or an interception of data. For example, if you take a telephone conversation between two persons, there may be the possibility of hearing the transmission voice or recording the telephonic conversation by an illegal way. So those type of attack is called snooping. And there may be the possibility of stealing the attachment in a given mail from sender to receiver side. There may be the possibility of hacking the file which is transferred from sender to receiver through FTP protocol. So these are all the examples of snooping attacks. In a traffic analysis, uh, a process or a monitoring of the online traffic or a path which is chosen for transmission from sender to receiver with unauthorized access. So, in an illegal way, an attacker is trying to find the path of transmission of secret information that is called as traffic analysis. So, example for traffic analysis is finding an email address of sender or receiver during email transmission. So these type of snooping and traffic analysis attacks are come under a passive attack. So these passive attacks are hard to detect because they do not involve any alteration on data. So these type of snooping and traffic analysis passive attacks are very hard to detect. And breaking integrity category, 4 types of attacks are available. One is modification. Modification means any alteration. So the alteration may be inserting an additional data to secret information, deleting few informations from the secret code, or replacing one code with another code on secret information. So these are all categorized under modification. So if any modification is done, then that time it is called as attack, and it avoid the integrity mechanism in it. Masquerade means one person may act as an authorized entity, but that person is an illegal access. So two persons are available means one person can act as an another person for accessing few informations. For example, retrieving an ATM card number or a PIN number from one particular person means these type of attacks are called masquerade, and another name for masquerade is spoofing. Replay means capturing of secret information, then resend that information by later to the receiver from the attacker. So that is called replay. Repudiation means either the sender deny the transmission of message, or the receiver may able to deny the receipt of message. So this is also called repudiation. Denial of service means it is implemented under distributed environment. So the distributed environment is client server architecture in which an attacker may able to send some n number of requests to the server. Because of that n number of requests, there may be the possibility of server crashes because of heavy load. So, and also an attacker intercept and delete the server's response to client. And few time an attacker may also delete the client request at server side. So there is always a disturbance in an entire network, and that disturbance may slow down the service of the server. So these type of attacks are called denial of service. So from the above 5 types of attacks, this will harm the system or it will alter the secret information. So these types of attacks are come under active attacks category. So the main objective of attacking by the attacker is to recover a correct key or to recover the most relevant plain text from the single ciphertext. So by using this objective only, the attacker is doing attacking process at a particular system. The security services terminologies and basic concepts will be discussed in next session. Thank you.